Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to show you guys an app that I use for just 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm able to generate $17 from this particular app by watching video. Yes, this is 100% free. You see, a lot of videos on YouTube showing how to make money watching video, which they are not real, and few may be real, but actually I've watched a lot of them and they are not real. But in today's video, I'm showing you guys the app that will make you money watching video, guys. Yes, this is 100% legit. I've tried it and it worked, and I'm going to show you guys the proof of everything on my phone right now. So let's dive in. And if this is your first time coming across my video, just go and subscribe because there will be a useful update. So you people will just see me like this. Yes, I'm just waking up for sleep. This is early morning, and I decided to shoot this video because it was excited to me because this is my first time trying watching video from an app, and it pays. Yes, so that's why I was very, very excited and I couldn't hold it back, and I decided to share with you guys. And there will be a link in the video description. Make sure you use that link so that I can be able to earn some incentive from you using this app. Thank you. So the app we're going to use today, I'm going to scroll to my phone. So this app we're going to use today is called Cheelee. So it's called Cheelee. So we're going to use this app called Cheelee today, as you can see it here on my phone. So this is the app, and if I click this app to open it now, let me click to open the app. It's going to load like this. So I hope you're seeing it on your screen there. So it's going to open like this, and when it's open like this now, if you look at the top,
right, so my girlfriend is out of town, and
sorry,
this is her
let me
current
pause
setup.
it. Okay, so and here you can see, so because I've watched today and they have given me a box because we're going to use eyeglass to watch. Yes, people will say, did I need to buy a physical eyeglass? No, cancel. You don't need to buy a physical eyeglass. The only eyeglass you need to buy is NFT eyeglass, but it is free. Yes, because people are like, paid. Yes, yeah, we pay, but let me show you guys gradually. We have to get there, right? So if now to watch the video is you just clicking and start scrolling to the video, you can see it here. The interface is exactly like TikTok. Okay, the interface, you just keep on scrolling, and you keep on seeing videos, and believe me, as you are watching the videos, you are making money. Yes, but let's even forget about making the money first. Let's discuss about one thing. If you see opportunity to grow an internet or a social media account, that a platform that is just coming up on you, won't you do that? This is the right opportunity for you to grab and grow from a system that is just coming out new. Yes, but now let's forget about that. That is not what I'm talking about. We're talking about how to make money watching video, right? So let's dive in back. So now, this is currently my balance. I have just 0. I have 0.64 cents currently. People will say, no, bullshit. This is not what they want. Yeah, that's what people are going to say right now. But now, let me leave that. I'm going to say the value of one LEE is, for currently, is 1.87 cents. That is almost $2 for one. Now, if you get two, so I'm going to show you guys how I will draw and the proof. This is not capping. So now, let me go to external wallet. Okay, let me just click the LLE. I'm just going to click it now. So I click the LLE, it's going to open, and you're going to see the history. So if I keep on scrolling, you're going to see the history of how much I have made. Like, this is it. You can see it here. I hope you're seeing. Are you watching with me? So you keep on seeing. When I continue scrolling, see, this is not a Photoshop, okay? So you continue seeing. I started this on the 24th of January. Today date is what? I think 16th. I cashed out yesterday. Yeah. And remember, this is not something that I do usually. I don't log in always, but I cashed out yesterday. So I started on the 21st of 21st of January, and then I continue. You can see here, watch the feed. See how much I make. The box pop up. See how much I make. Watch the feed. So let me use the indication. Let me indicate it. See, watch the feed, box pop up, watch the feed, box pop up, watch the feed, box pop up. So this is how I continue making money, by watching the feed and I get boxed. Yes. Now let me go. That is for history, right? And Okay, let me look at if I'm going to see the withdrawal made here. Okay, transferred. Yeah, thank you. So here is the transfer I made. I made a transfer yesterday. So here is the transfer. I hope you guys can see it. Transfer. So this is the amount I transferred. So if I click it, the transfer, it's going to see it successful. Okay, you're going to see successful. It was 15th, around 15th yesterday. Yeah, so I withdraw successful. So if this is 7.3, let's say 7.3, and each one of the LLE is $2. Now let's calculate. Let's go to my calculator together. As I said, I'm going to take you guys to all the whole steps that I withdraw. So this is not a hidden stuff. So I'm going to say 1.87 times 7.3 3. So roughly this is what it is. I withdraw, but what it actually comes, maybe the thing dropped today, it actually come out at $14 yesterday. So now if let's say if to times say $14 times 1,600 today, for today exchange rate is going to give you 22,400 naira. That is what I withdraw from within that period. This is just a side income, right? Now let me show you the, let me go back to the app. Okay, let me go back to the app. Okay, loading. Yeah, we're back to the history. So let's go back to the transfer. So you see the transfer fee that was charged is $2 plus, so which means 789. So I get almost 789. I get almost 10. Let's just say almost 10 LLE. So I was charged $2 2 LLE for withdrawal fee. Then let me go to my external wallets. So you can see there's external wallet, internal wallet, and external wallet. So let me go to the external wallet. Let me click the LLE on external wallet. You can see the transaction fee because I transfer it to external wallet. Now let me go to my BNB. You can see the BNB there. So let me click the BNB. If I click the BNB, you can see I transfer it the money to the BNB. Okay, you can see it here, BNB. So I transferred it. So now, how am I able to cash out this money? So let me go to my Binance. So I'm going to, sometimes Binance doesn't allow screen recording on mobile phone. In case if you did not see the screen, then just know that sometimes screen recording doesn't work on mobile. But let's give it a try. Yeah, we're going to try. So on my BNB, wow, sorry, the heat. There's no light. I said I just wake up. So I'm going to go to my wallets. Yeah, and then this is the balance in my BNB wallet. And then let me go to funding. Okay, let me go to Web3 because I transfer the money to Web3. So from Web3 before I bring it to normal Binance wallet. So it is not complicated. So you can see I transferred the money. Let me check my BNB. How much BNB access? Okay, I could have even checked click transaction. Yeah, that could have even been simple for me. Do you get it? I could have clicked transaction. That could have been very, very easy for me than this way. But since we're here already, so let's just look at it. So let me go, let me look at the transactions. I think that transfer. Oh no, that is something else. I think we have to look if there will be a way to get, okay, let me see history. Let me look at history. I think I want something that will show it better. Okay, you can see here, I approved. When you see here, approved, LLE, approved. So transfer in 0.7 BNB. You can see received 7.8 LLE. That is what was transferred to my Binance account. And then when it transferred here, I transferred into BNB. So I transferred into BNB 7. I transferred into BNB. Now as I transfer it to BNB, I have to convert it and then convert it to BNB and exchange it in P2P. So it's very, very simple to use. You don't guys get it. So this why I try to show you guys in my Binance is that to show you that the coin is actually existing in Binance and you can sell it. So I sell the token and made money. So you're looking for how to make money online. It's possible. It's possible by watching video, but I have found one app which I have shared with you. So guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you use my link in the video description, and I will see you at the other side. Which other side? In my next video. Thank you guys. I love you. One love.